Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, and today I'm going to show you a few of my favorite products, open box experience. This whole big box here, a lot of stuff. As I mentioned before, the whole DJI products. I guess we have to improvise. I'm going to use my chef knife. It's a knife that I'm very proud of. Open box. So this knife, I bought it in Taiwan. It's an island called Kinmen. And as you can see here, they claim that this knife is made from the bombshell, debris of the bombshell. And you see this Damascus, there's a lot of different waves and a different type of pattern. It's from different layers of the steel. So let's use this to unbox. I know it's kind of crazy, but let's just do it. Alright, so open from the bottom. Open. So at the very beginning, there's a phone. After this phone, there's a desiccant. The product itself is wrapped in this pouch already. I'll show you something else afterwards. Very clean, looks great. And let's open it. Oh, even have a new precautionary thing you can pull off. Just pull it off according to the manual. Pull it off and let's try turning it on for the first time. Looks like turning on fine. Okay, it's turning off. This is just an open box. I'll show you the review of the product later. So let's continue. Inside the other box, there's also a small accessory pouch. So within this accessory pouch, as I mentioned before, it has a USB-C cord. It has a hand carry lanyard for protection and security. And lastly, it has a small dongle that can change the current connection to iPhone connection. And lastly, there is a USB-C connection port. Yeah. Charging case. This is a very cool item that I was looking for. So let's see. So it seems like it has a very strong connection on the plastic. Maybe I should cut it all together. Or there's also a different way I can cut it open from the bottom. Let's just do that. Since my knife is very sharp, cuts through very fine. It's very easy to cut anything with this knife. It's kind of crazy that I have to depend on this knife for most of my cutting when I cook. And inside this, there's a black box. Oh wow, there we have it. There's an instruction manual, but nobody reading. And this is the product. has basically an instruction telling you to update to the newest firmware before you use. So, okay, we'll follow that. Wow, this thing is very sticky. It's very premium feel, completely steel, just like my mouse pad. And the coolest thing about this is that you turn it. Let's see, it looks more smooth when the person doing it in the store. And then if you can, oh, you gotta press this thing. Oh, and then you slowly turn for it. Voila, that's cool, right? That's very cool. Okay, you close it. You have the click sound, and in the back there is this button. You can switch it and just open the Osmo Pocket. I wonder what this does. It looks like this is a mechanism to secure the pocket in this compartment. It's like a sleeping pod. It's pretty crazy. Let me try it. Metal, heating metal is not good. Anyway, so you put the pocket in like that. Let me see if I'm doing correct. Oh, okay, so you have to slide into the slot. I'm not sure if you can see on this camera. Let's try it. So take this off, slide this in, just like that. Okay. Oh, okay, so you close it like this. Just slide it in. Slide it all the way in. The other way in. And then close this. Oh, it's very tight. Gosh. Oh, I did it right now. So turn this over and close it. Awesome. That is so cool. It's like the coolest mechanism ever. I can switch and the pocket is here. Let's see if I can take it out easy. Oh, it's not that hard. Awesome. That is very cool. This is the coolest thing ever. Yeah, on the bottom, I'm not sure if you can see, you put filters there. So onto the filter. Let's see if I can pull out this the coolest thing. I like this knife. Let me show the logo of the knife. I really like this knife. Okay.
They take out the release negative energy here.
Yeah.
Yell it out. Nobody's gonna hear it. I'll freak out out here.
Nice little place. Oh, wow. Pretty cool. See the rain?
Put this tree here just to create obstacles.
Good thing I just participated. Nice. So hike. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice view. Wow, it's amazing. It's quite nice.
Yeah.
Wow, it's cool. More people. Wow, that's nice. I can't believe I fixed it. See it? Now the camera is intact. I move it around, it's doing its thing. Wow, That's awesome. I fixed the gimbal. Nice.
Looks like it fell.
For a little bit of sound so we can see what she's got. Hope you like it.
Feel free to let me know what else you want to see. Thanks for watching.